All right, everybody, we're back, and we got the MT4X test tractor back. I got the grapple on it. I went ahead and greased it because I noticed the first time that I used it, it was making a lot of noise. I don't think it was greased, so wanted to make sure I greased that. I'm probably going to grease that every single time I use it. But today, we're out here where I normally like to plant my food plots, but what I want to work on today, as you saw in that one clip as we came in here, this bank is covered with vines, thorns, everything. I've never seen this bank. Like, I don't know what it even looks like bare, but we're gonna try to go up this hill and just pull out as much as we can. It's still a little bit wet out here. That's why it's taking me so long to get another video with this tractor. It's just a bad time of year to be trying to get some hours on this thing, but we're gonna try to grab as much as we can and clean this up. Maybe make this spot a little bit bigger. All right, so I learned something down there in Florida, and it was this button. I wasn't sure what it was. This one right here, that's the easy brake. So I'm going to turn this on and explain what that is. Turn that on, and now it says easy brake is activated. You have that logo there. So what that means now is I don't have to clutch. If I want to stop, I just hit the brake. So they asked me if they thought that was useful. I said I will let them know, but I think it's going to be useful. We're going to try it out. Okay, so we're moving and stop. And you can feather it too. You don't have to push it all the way down. So I mean, it is kind of handy, especially on hills. It's almost like driving a hydrostat. No clutch. All right, guys, I gotta quit, and I don't want to, but I gotta go to work here in a little bit. I cannot tell you how much fun and how much pleasure this has given me watching all these vines and thorns and briars getting ripped out. We've got a little pile here that will burn later. And then I didn't even know these trees were up in there. That's some good firewood there. That's Osage orange, hedge apple, whatever you want to call it. Both of these here. And I like to put a stick of that in on a cold night, and that will burn hot and for a long time. And that wood's still good. It's not rotted because it takes forever for Osage orange to rot. So that was a nice little find. But yeah, I mean, look at this. And I've only been out here for an hour, and that's totally different than when we first came here. And we're gonna keep going. Like, I'm not done by any means. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna clear all this out. And it even looks like there's like a little flat up there. And maybe from over there we could angle our way up that way and maybe make a path up this hill, a nice path. We'll see. But there's also another tree limb here. Looks like it'd be good for firewood. Who knows what's all in there? Taking limbs out along the side of this trail. Killing two birds with one stone, I guess. Can't go further up because of this fence. I still got to take it down from the pigs. Well, we made it. Alright. Doing pretty good now. Okay, so I had to come inside because, for one, I forgot my safety glasses out there. I thought I had them on. And then, two, it's snowing harder and it's a wet snow. Everything's getting wet. But I wanted to tell you some more things that I know about this tractor. If you saw the badge, it says an MT573. Well, I found out down there in Florida, they put the wrong badge on this tractor. This is just a pilot tractor. So it's got the wrong badge, it's got the wrong rims, but this is actually an MT473. So still 73 horsepower tractor, just the next series down in size. But yeah, I really like, after using this thing, I do like the easy brake, because when you stop, normally you have to push the clutch all the way in. With the easy brake, you just push the brake a little bit and it stops, and you can feather that to where you can keep moving it a little bit. And I'm telling you, I'm starting to just put the easy brake on as soon as I get on the tractor now. So I do like that feature. I didn't know if it was needed at first, but I'm really liking it now. So we're gonna keep testing this thing, and it's just a bad time of year because it's always wet and there's not much else for me to do other than firewood. But we're gonna keep messing with this thing, put some hours on it, see if we can figure anything out with it. So be sure to stay tuned, and until next time, thanks for watching.